Hey guys, welcome back to my second Python tutorial video, and today we're going to talk about simple math and calculations in Python shell. So once you got your Python installed in your computer, you should open it, and it should be the idle one. So when you go in, you should be all set for today. Uh, so yeah, so first we're going to do addition, and all you have to do is there is no commands. You just have to type in numbers. So for example, you could just do like 10 plus 9 and that'll just give you the straight number. Same for subtraction. You could do 9 minus 5 and then it should give you 4, just like that. And you can get more complicated than that too. You could do multiplication, division, and all that stuff. So for multiplication, you don't put like X, you put the star. So it's shift 8 for normal keyboard users, I guess. So for example, you could do 6 times 8, 48. And for division, you could do 10 divided by 5, and it should give you 2.0. But if you type in like odd divisions, like the ones that don't divide clearly, you could do like 12 divided by 5, and it should give you these. From old Pythons, it used to not to do that, but yeah, now they made it better, so you don't have to do that. If you have an old Python, what you could do to get these is just 12. My bad. You could do like 12.0 divided by 5. You could put decimals anywhere, any number, or you could even do like 12 divided by 5 point, and that will still give you decimals. Or if you want to get fancier with those Python codes, what you could do is float 12 divided by 5. So float is the name of decimals in computer programming languages. So if you do this, you'll also get 2.4, and yeah, that's for division. In Python, there's another calculation method called modulus. It looks like the percentage sign, so it's shift 5 like this. So what it does is it divides and gives the remainder. So for example, you could do 10 divided by 4, 10 modulus 4. So if you divide 10 with 4, it gives you 2 and remainder of 2. So it should give me 2. See? And you could do like 20 modulus 6, and it should give you 2 again. But if you put in the numbers that divide like clean, for example like 20 modulus 4, you'll get 0. See? Just like that. And there's one more. You could do exponents in Python. If you do 10, this is the normal expression you will use in your calculator, but if you do this, it won't work. I don't know how this came out, but yeah, it doesn't work like this. So for exponents, what you have to do is double stars, like 10, 2. Oops, my bad. 2 should be 100. Yep, my bad, that one. Alright, so yeah, this should be it. Hope you guys understood like how to do basic math in Python shell. And yeah, check out my next video, which is coming up very soon, and stay tuned in. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.